Alright, so here's what it is for everybody. This is how it prints. Running into stuff. All the orange pieces hooked to it are upgrade pieces that I've done. So, per se, this belt tensioner here. There's also a piece on the back that helps hold the belt that I did. This is a fan that blows air all the way through the bottom, all the way around it, because it's circular, to help cool the project, instead of just this that blew straight down on it. These actually are pieces that were printed before that came with the kit, the white. Yeah, that was the only pieces they did. I'm reprinting actually this piece right there that goes inside of that, because the hollower version actually ended up breaking. So I printed a second one after redoing all the belts to factory, retensioning, and then did the solid version so that way it'll be a little bit stronger. I may do that with that one as well. But yeah, this is it working. There's the spool. I am going to make a bracket that goes up on top. That was some of the pieces, the one that Jay broke, to have that set up here so the wire feeds, or the spool just feeds directly down inside instead of that way. Yeah, but that's how it works.